Types of bread: white bread, wheat bread, whole grain bread, rye bread, hot dog bun, hamburger bun, croissant, Swiss roll, pretzel, bagel, donut, breadstick, baguette, cupcake, toast, pita bread, challah, garlic bread, boule, matzah, crisp bread, brioche, naan, tortilla, sourdough bread, pumpernickel, focaccia, cornbread, Hawaiian rolls, banana bread, scone, barmbrack, Maltese bread, American muffins, Rowena Pariwa, ciabattas, pie, chapati.